Hi everyone, Helen here again, and welcome to the next module, which is learn how to collaborate using the tools. Now I thought I'd do something a bit different today, and that's to take a recording at a place called the NAB Village in Melbourne. Now the NAB Village is a co-working space where businesses and community services get together to work, connect and learn for themselves. It's a great space that enables people to collaborate and cooperate from all parts of different industries and different communities, and there's a real buzz and a real hive of activity that happens here. So this week it's learning how to collaborate using the tools, and already many of you have started using Link and starting to use the different functions in SharePoint to see how you can start collaborating with each other and sharing information and solving each other's problems. So this week Michelle and I are actually going to talk about what are the mobile applications of these tools and how you can download these onto your devices and start using them straight away, so that you have access and you have access 24/7 to all the sites that you follow in CCA, to all the documents that you use in CCA, to all the people that you're connecting with within CCA. Now, so far through this whole program, what we've been doing is we've started to connect with each other using Link, and also building your own online profile. If you haven't already created your profile on SharePoint and at least uploaded a photo of yourself and filled out all your skills, your past projects, and all the information about what you do currently within your role, I do encourage you to get into SharePoint and do that as the first thing. Finding out who you are and what skills you have is very critical, because it allows people to find someone of your skills and knowledge within CCA. So do that as the first thing. After we've connected and built a profile, we're going to start. We actually started networking with each other, and we already had seen a great example in the news feed, and seeing how we can use hashtags to start streamlining those conversations and getting people involved into those conversations by using the @ symbol and inviting people to contribute. So I would strongly recommend that you continue using those networking behaviours both in the news thread and also in the community forum. I do encourage you to continue using the community forum. There's already some people who have uploaded some great questions that I don't have the answers to, but you might. So I do encourage you to get into those community forums and see how you can help someone out. And it's as simple as liking a post, replying to a post, or connecting someone to who might have the answer to that question. So these social networking behaviours really allow you to start building upon how you can help people and building that trust and credibility and the reputation that you have. So this week I do encourage you to check out the pre-webinar activities and share your thinking and share your reflections about them. I also do encourage you to go back through the previous sessions and seeing the activities that were required out of those, and if you haven't done those, to take some time to answer a question on the forum itself. If you have any solutions to the questions that are up there, please answer them, please share your experience, because this is the beauty of it. The whole idea is to work, connect and learn with each other. And I know it's very different because it means different behaviours than what you're used to. I'd also encourage you, before you send an email to someone, I'd like you to stop and think, how is this information that I'm sharing on this email valuable to people, to the wider CCA? So think about, rather than responding to that email to that one person, putting it out into the community forum, because that answer that you might have might be relevant to other people across other sites. So stop before you send that email. Think of, how is this information valuable to others? And simply just contribute to the conversation and use the news thread to promote and acknowledge people and share some really good stories that you have. So I'll see you next week on learning how to collaborate using the tools. Feel free to tinker around. For those of you who are thinking, how you can use your iPads, bring an iPad into the webinar, have an iPad there ready to go and just trial things out. Really experiment. That's what we'd love for you to do. So I'll see you very soon at the next webinar, Learning How to Collaborate. Thanks. Bye for now.